Hey guys, welcome back to Abby's Awesome World. If you're new to my channel, I'm Abby. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to be reading my fidgets. So pretty much what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one of my fidgets, I'm going to show them, I'm going to show you guys like to play with them, and then I'm going to be rating them 1 out of 10. So yeah, let's get to it. I'm going to dump all of my fidgets out. Let's see. So yeah, gonna make sure that none of them fall. So just a sec, guys. Okay. So yeah, time to rate them. So I'm going to be reading my cat mochis. I have a white one, a light pink one, a gray one, and a yellow one. So yeah, I rate these 4 out of 10. And then I'm going to rate my bicycle chains. Probably a solid 2 out of 10. Only because all you do is you just go back and forth. It's cool and all, but I don't know. And then I have my DNA ball. I'm gonna probably rate this 9 out of 10 because I absolutely love it, but it gets foggy and I don't like that. Then when I squeeze it, it's fine. So yeah. And then my milkshake poppet, probably a 6 out of 10. Yeah, probably a 6 out of 10. And then I'm going to be rating my 2 fidget pads next. I would probably give them a 7 out of 10. Probably. Yeah, probably a 7 out of 10. Okay, and then I have my peep poppers. My big ones, I would give a 3. And my little ones, I would also give a 3. Actually, my little ones probably a 4 because they come up easier than my big ones. Yeah, and then my orange and my blue monkey noodles. The orange, a 7, the blue, a 6, only because I like the orange color better. And then my French fry poppet, probably a 10 out of 10. It is spot on. Both sides are really good, and it's really cute, and it has fries on them. It's definitely a 10 out of 10. And the ones that I give for a 10 out of 10, I'm not going to put in my basket yet. I'm going to keep them aside, and then I'm going to show all of my 10 out of 10 fidgets at the end. And then my blue marble mesh, my crazy marble mesh, my purple marble mesh, and my pink marble mesh. My crazy marble mesh, an 8, pink 3, purple 6, and blue 4. It's all about the designs and colors. And then my rings, silver 3, gold also 3. So yeah. And then my cloud mochis, all the same color. So these probably a 7. I like these a little bit more than the cat mochis because they're really cute and all. Yeah. And then my bottle slime, my jiggly bottle slime. Ooh, probably a 4, only because the glitter sticks to you and it feels really weird. So definitely a 2 for that one. It's fun to play with in here and like go like that and then like watch it go back and then like fall. And then I'm gonna get all the colors I have, and then I have a red pop tube, a green pop tube, a pink pop tube, and a blue pop tube. The red one of 1, green 4, pink 3, and a blue 9. Actually the red one probably a 9 also, because this one, it doesn't make as loud of a noise than this one. So honestly, probably, yeah, the blue and the red are both 9. Yeah. And then I have my mini water timer, probably a 5, only because there's not really much to do except look at it, and I don't really like it. And then my squish spike ball, probably a 10, because it's really cool and it's really easy to stretch. So, squish. So, 10 for that one. And then my scented putty, probably, I can't get it open, but probably a 6, only because when I stretch it, here, I think I got it. I'll show you guys. When I stretch it, it's not very good. So if you see, like, when I stretch it, it just comes apart. And then it also, like, comes, like, apart a lot, not even just when I'm stretching, it just, like, comes together. And then my Wacky Tracks, for sure 10. Absolutely amazing. 10 for that one. And then my Galaxy Pop-It, a 10. Because it's awesome on both sides. It's really easy, and it's not too big. It's just easy for the go. 10, and then my hamburger, probably a 6, only because on the bad side, it's not, it like doesn't go down really that easily, like, yeah. So a 4 for this one. And my big one, probably an 8, only because it's really big and it takes a while to pop. But it is pretty good to play for a fidget game. And then I have my other Dimple spinner. I absolutely love this. 10 out of 10. Awesome. And I love the texture. It's kind of like spiky, and I love the texture. And it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 10 on the other side. And then that's 10 out of 10. And then my pineapple Pop-It, for sure 10 out of 10. It's really easy just like to put on your backpack. And it's even it even has a chain right there that you can hook on. And it's just pure awesome. It's 10 out of 10. And then my banana stretch, a 2, only because all of the sand came out of it. But I mean, I can do this. Kind of like a balloon. And then my popsicle Pop-It, a 9 out of 10, only because it's kind of hard to put it down. And then my Galaxy Infinity Cube, 9 out of 10, only because it's a little bit stiff. And then my paw print dimple, definitely a 10 out of 10. It's really good. And then last but not least, my other Infinity Cube, 10 out of 10 for sure. This one's a lot better. It's not as stiff or anything. So, now I'm going to be showing you guys again my 10 out of 10 ones. So, my paw print dimple, my Galaxy Poppet, my Wacky Tracks, Fry Poppet, Pineapple Mini Poppet, Blue and Pink Infinity Cube, Spike Squish Ball, and Dimple Spinner. Hope you guys all have a scooterific day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys. Peace.